Hi everyone, today we are going to play with the Smash-o-saurs Dino Ice Age Surprise Egg from Zuru. This is Series 3 and everything is in Ice Age theme. Each egg comes with one exclusive dinosaur and 6 random mini dinosaurs. The good thing is we can know which exclusive dinosaur is inside by just looking at the shell, and I picked TRex in this case. I got 2 little helpers with me this time and they cannot wait to check what's inside. First thing we do is to remove the wrapper, and they have no problem doing it. There's a tear line on the package and it's easier to start with that. Next is to smash and crack open the shell. We did get a little confused what to do here as the shell was pretty strong. At the end we decided to smash it with much stronger force, and there you go. Inside we got a sealed bag and a scratch map. The scratch map is a pretty good idea for instructions as kids love to scratch. From the map we figured out that we have to find different dinosaur pieces hidden inside different items. We will need a total of 9 pieces to finish our T-Rex. Next we open up the sealed bag and found various items inside. There are 5 different compounds with hidden parts inside. 1 egg rebuilder and 6 mini eggs. We also found that 2 of the eggs were broken. We were a little disappointed, but luckily the 2 mini dinosaurs are there. We decided to start with the growing snow compound as it looks really fun. We pour water into the little opening. As water touches the little white powders inside, they will start to grow into snow. The snow kept expanding as we pour more water. In the end, the box is filled with snow we created. We open up the opening and try to find the hidden parts inside. The snow looks like ice, but they are actually very soft to touch. The texture feels like real snow and it's cold. The 2 little helpers are having great fun trying to find the hidden parts. Next, we went for the blizzard bomb as we were very curious about how it works. We put the blizzard bomb into the water pot and it was so much fun. The little helpers cannot wait to put their hands into the bubbles. It did make their hands dirty, but the good thing is it's pretty easy to clean up. Next, we open up the frozen slime and try to find the dinosaur head. This slime feels more like regular slime, it feels cool and sticky. Next up is the crystal slime, it feels more like dry ice. It's not that soft, but it's very fun to touch. Last one is the stretchy snow, it feels like sand. It's cold and we can reshape it easily. After we find all the hidden pieces, it's time to put the T-Rex together. It is interesting to know that if we move the tail of the T-Rex, the head will also move. Now we will open up the mini Smash eggs. There are more than 50 mini Smash-o-saurs to collect. Remember that all the smashed eggs can be fixed. Don't throw them away. Overall, I think this is a very nice toy for its price. There are quite a few well-designed activities for kids to try on. However, since most activities involve water and slime, make sure to prepare an easy-to-clean surface for the little ones to play on. At the end, remember to subscribe my channel.